So it does have automatic landing and automatic hovering. So right now it's automatically adjusted to hover where we let it. So like, as you guys can see, we're now going to switch. Oh no. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are reviewing Holy Stone's HS series, HS110D. This is a FPV drone equipped with a 120-degree wide angle 1080 HD Wi-Fi camera. So again, you got the Wi-Fi FPV, attitude hold, headless mode, 6-axis gyro, HD camera, 4 channels, flips, so 360-degree flipping, colorful LEDs, 3.7 LiPo battery. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. Check this out, guys. This is really nice looking. Wow. Look at that. Check out that camera. Wow. Look at this. This is really nice. And the nice thing about it, it's very lightweight, so you know it's going to move around very fast. Wow. So let's go over some things here. If you press down on here and then pull out, this is where the battery is located, right in here. They do supply you with 2 batteries, so that is a plus. And when you mount it and put it back in, you just simply press it in, and it's good to go. You're ready to go. They provide you with extra blades and tools as well to change out the blades. Looks like they provide you with a mount for your camera. These are landing. Oh no, these are actually the landing supports. So they're spares, as you guys can see here. And then these go around your wing to protect your wings. So there's a little red light right under here that lets you know that it's charging, and that is your power as well to turn this on, is right there. So far, I'm very impressed with the features of this. So here we have the remote, and they actually provide this little pamphlet that actually says what everything does. You got the trim, up and down, left and right, null, headless, normal, you know, your controls here. So we're actually going to save that. Also underneath here, you have your manual. That's underneath the insulation. To power this on, you just press there, and you have different statuses on everything. Press and hold to turn it off. It's that simple, guys. So for mounting your phone, go ahead and pull this pin out right here. You pull this pin out, and then you place this down in like this, and then this gets placed back in the screw, and you thread this through. Once you thread it through, your bracket will be in place. So make sure you check out your manual, but a couple things. It comes with 5 speed levels: low, medium, high, expert, and then racing. So you press the speed plus or the speed minus to pick your selection. You probably want to start out under low if this is your first time. And for the app, you can find that in your instruction manual. Guys, automatic landing, everything works great. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up somewhere else so you guys can see this even better. So it does have automatic landing and automatic hovering. So right now it's automatically adjusted to hover where we let it. So like, as you guys can see, we're now going to switch. Oh no, we're in speed 2, so we're gonna switch it up to speed 3. As you guys can see, it automatically hovers, which is really nice. This is a really nice drone, guys. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, this is one of my favorite drones. So let me show you guys something here. There's a flip. It is a little breezy out, but this thing's doing really well. Look at this. With the auto hover mode, like, this thing can really do some cool stuff. So we gotta be careful because of the wind. But I mean, we can go, it's fast, like it goes high. We gotta bring it down in your view so you guys can see this. But we're gonna up it to speed 4, which is the professional. As you guys can see, this thing's got some speed and we're not even full force. So this is racing speed and we're not even, you know, playing with it like we really could. I believe we're in the racing mode. Yeah, that's definitely a lot of fun, guys. And the fact that it's got hover mode, because like right now we stop, we don't have to make it go, it's just hovering. If we go up faster, it will hover. Oh, we gotta turn it around, that's why. So yeah, if we drop it down lower, it's gonna automatically hover where we stop. So